everyone, Serena B here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these Galentine's Day cards, and this first card is going to be using a paper bag that I got at Michael's. This is the smaller size, and I'm just going to be covering it up with my Love Bites paper collection from my shop Papercakes. I'll have the link down below in case you guys are interested in checking it out. And I'm using the Tombow Permanent Plus adhesive to glue everything down. So I'm making these little mini cards, and I absolutely love these paper bag cards because you can make it a card for your friends and also add some goodies in there too. So I think that's really cute. And I'm also going to show you how to make one using a glassine bag. So that's going to be coming up soon. I already made mini bag flips with these envelopes, and now I'm using them to make mini paper bag cards. So I think it turned out really cute. This tutorial is part of a Galentine's Day card collab that I'm doing with my best gal friends, Dani and Sabrina, and so I'll link their channels down below so you guys can check out their cards for this YouTube collab. For the front, I'm going to be adding this pink doily that I got at Michael's, and I'm going to be adding a digital image that I colored previously from Vera Studios, and I absolutely love these images so much. I'll have the link down below for you guys. If you're new to my channel, I love using digital images, and so I'm going to add some washi tape. This is a black heart washi tape, and I'm going to layer it with some iridescent and then this really pretty kind of like galaxy watercolor pink washi tape that I got from my friend Melissa. And for my sentiment, I'm using my Dymo label maker, and I just punched out "Hey Babe." I think it's really cute. And to finish off the card, I'll be using some rhinestones. So card number 2 is going to be using a glassine bag, and this is just to give you guys another idea in case you don't have paper bags like the one I used before. So I'm going to just take this glassine bag, fold it in half, but before that I'm going to trim off the little jagged edge so the card can have a nice smooth side. And I'm just measuring out my paper. Again, this is from my Love Bites collection, and I'm going to be adding paper on all 4 sides because I do want to cover up the glassine bag. For the inside of this card, I'm going to be using a journaling card from my Slay It Girl collection, and so I'm just going to glue it down and then add some glittery dark silver washi tape. And that's where I'm going to add my message. So for the front cover, I'm going to be using this Stampotique image that I colored up previously. And I stamped out this sentiment, "Life would suck without you," with these tiny alphas that I got from my friend Dani actually. And so I think it turned out really cute. I absolutely love this font. And I just cut them apart and then just played with placement to see how I wanted everything to fit in the front of the card. And then I'm outlining them with the Tombow mono drawing pens, and I absolutely love this look. I used to do this a lot when I was in mixed media and did like art journaling and when I used to make ATCs, so I kind of like that I brought that back with this card. And I'm kicking it old school with a Stampotique image. This one is called Dwindled, and she's one of my favorites. I have a great Stampotique collection. Back in the day, a long time ago, well, it feels long now, I would use these images all the time in my mixed media, in my art journaling, in my cards, and it was really fun to play around with it again to bring back the creepy cute aesthetic that I love so much. I really had a lot of fun making this card, and it's gonna go to someone special who I know will appreciate it. And to finish off the card, I'm just adding some shimmer with a Jelly Roll glitter pen. For the last card, I'm going to be making a vampire themed card using my Love Bites collection again, and I had to stamp this out again, but this time I wrote "Life sucks without you." I just changed the sentiment a little bit, and when I got that idea for that sentiment, I knew right away I wanted to use my vampire fangs and my vampire paper. I just kind of wanted to do a play on the word suck. I thought it was cute. So that is it for the cover. I'm adding some rhinestones and some enamel dots that have glitter in them, and they're pink. And then to finish it off, I'm gonna go in and use this holographic washi tape that I picked up on my trip to Europe. It's the first time I use it, so I'm really excited. I got this at Hema or Hema, I don't know how to pronounce it, but if you guys are in Amsterdam or any place like that, you probably know what this is. So shout out to my peeps watching overseas. That's it it for today's tutorial. I hope this gave you ideas on different ways you can use paper bags to create cards. Just showing you here an example of like things you could put inside, but I'm going to be adding some extra goodies in there for my pen pals. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions about anything I used or just want to say hi, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Saturday, and if you want to make sure you don't miss a new video, you can click the notification bell also. Thanks guys for being here with me. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!